God. I hope it's not too bad. Well, Steve's right, it's not molested. Under the hood. Yeah, see these? These are just gonna disintegrate on him as soon as he starts driving. These tires are absolutely no good. Like, he won't get 5 miles out of those. 3 of them today. So I'll have 3 of them today and 1 of them tomorrow.
We gotta try to hook this side back all the way out. Okay, stop.
That's where General Motors got the idea for the 4-wheel steering on the Hummers. With all the 240Sx's that have been smashed into curbs. One thing I also noticed, this wheel's destroyed, wouldn't be able to use these even if he wanted to because of the curb impact. Well, the control arm did its job.
Folded?
Yep, the impact control arm folded. On older cars that had full control arms, that would have crushed, that would have bent the frame over, but this did exactly what it was supposed to do, it collapsed. So we can probably get away with just doing new control arms and realigning it, and we should be good here. Boy, Gideon, you got real lucky. Eventually gonna need a power steering rack, which doesn't look too bad to do. Oh no! Oh well, here's the front rim. You may want to think wheels and tires before we actually put any on the car and drives it, because I'm not going to be able to put a new tire on this rim. I wonder, I've got a set of wheels and tires out back that might fit this. I'm going to go take a look. Oh, they're 5 lug. No, those aren't going to work. Too big anyways. Oh, I got to do something with this mess back here. That control arm actually did its job.
That baby up there good.
Yeah. Yeah, but I mean, think about how much worse it could have been.
Well, that pays off for having the stock flimsy control arms.
Yeah.
You get those billet aluminum ones.
Won't bend.
Won't bend if you break it. We'll see if you can track one down.
Yeah, I'll get online and look.
It's a Wawa. That's not good. Somebody don't know how to drive. Okay, first, look at this tire that actually is still holding air. Oh, nice. Oh, not nice. I bet you this is where that rim got the damage, whatever it is.
Yeah. That's all looking original, which is nice.
Actually, I gotta say, aside from it looks like Antonio installed the body kit, it's not a bad car.
Not bad for as old as it is, yeah. And you got some subframe bushings kind of bouncing around. Very nice. Not bad.
I mean, for the age of it, yeah, what do you...
Like nothing's rusted, you know?
Yep.
All gonna come out nice and easy. Oh, we got a new fuel filter. I can see it. That's all I need to see.
Made Steve's day. That new filter, oil filter.
Not bad. Not bad.
All right. Want to start smoking?
Smoke the competition.
Oh, look at this. Metal.
Oh, wow. I don't even make them like it anymore.
I bet a new replacement would be plastic.
Just 30 years ago. Yeah. That's it.
Cool. Get your parts. But that's going Amazon. Or eBay. eBay, definitely.
should get sponsored by eBay Motors.
So I'm standing underneath the Nissan 240Sx that our cameraman, one of our cameramen, Gideon, saved up his money to buy, drove from QL back up here. Well, his dad decided that it would be safer if he drove it because they just got it, and accidentally wiped out and spun out at a 180, hit one of the wheels on the curb. It just folded the lower control arm, which is exactly what it's going to do. That in itself is not a big deal. Now here's where we run into an issue. The factory wheels, which we've got on the back because the rear tires were slashed, this wheel is damaged too badly to be reused. So we have to go back to put the tires on the aftermarket wheels that came with it. Well, we ran into an issue there because when we come up to the front, you see the driver's side inside has got this big wow in it and these nice 3-piece wheels. So we're going to be on hold right now while we find the control arm, talk to Gideon, see what he wants to do about wheels. His best bet is going to be buy a full set of wheels. Worst case scenario, we can put tires on 3 of the wheels and try and balance this one enough that he can drive it a little bit. We'll see what he wants to do.